Using the pencil tool will completely transform your logo design game, and I'm about to show you how. Have you ever thought about how a simple logo can evolve into a masterpiece? The pencil tool in Illustrator is essential for creating freehand drawings and smooth, organic lines, offering designers the flexibility to sketch and refine shapes with precision and ease, making it a crucial tool for both detailed illustrations and quick creative explorations. I'm Humaira Laique, and my channel is HLGraphics, so let's dive in and see how to use the pencil tool to change the logo. Go to Type tool and type letter A. Here we will use capital letter. I will show the letter A by changing it in several ways using the pencil tool. Font name is Palatino Linotype. First, we'll convert the letter I into outlines, transforming it into an editable object. Next, we'll use the knife tool to carefully slice the center line of the I from both sides. After that, we'll ungroup the elements and remove the center portion, creating a unique, customized design. You can see. Now the pencil tool will start working from here. Open the pencil tool. Double-click on it. All the settings are in front of the setup, check them out. Next, we will create the middle part of the letter A with the help of the pencil tool. The part we cut from there we will use the pencil tool. And we'll take it back to the other side by twisting it. See, this is a great logo created in front of you. Now we will balance it with the help of smooth tool, which is a little bit wrong. With the help of this smooth tool we can refine any object and smooth its various crooked parts. Now we'll change it further by using the direct selection tool to round off the very top of the A. You can see that the top is rounded and the edges are rounded, and it looks great too. Now we will work on the lower part of letter A. For this we will erase both feet of the letter A with the help of the eraser tool. All the tools on Illustrator are very useful. Using them makes the job very quick and easy. With the help of shape tool we will create a triangular shape and take another copy of it and replace the 2 feet of the letter A. I've selected the polygon shape, we'll change it to a triangle shape using the arrow keys. It will replace the letter A's foot and we will reduce its size accordingly. A lot of caution is needed here. It's up to you what size you fit. When you are satisfied, take another copy of it and paste it on the other foot. And we'll unite them. Now we will use the direct selection tool here again. The edges that are made in both feet of letter A will be slightly rounded. I've just shown you one way to transform the letter I in our logo, but next, I'll be demonstrating 3 more creative techniques to modify the letter A. Each method will be displayed step by step, right before your eyes. If there's anything you don't understand or need further clarification on, please don't hesitate to ask me in the description box below. I'm here to help and will definitely answer your questions to ensure you get the most out of this tutorial. The tools used in all 4 methods include the pen tool, the pencil tool, the smooth tool, the direct selection tool, type tool, and the selection tools. If you want to make a logo or if you want to change any letter, then you must tell me. There are many videos and short videos of logo designing on my channel. You can watch it. If you like my work then please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.